Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Convivial. If today na the first time we see my channel, try subscribe, like and share to people wey you know say this channel go fit help they speak Italian language. Guys, which video we want to do today? Today we want to do video of how if you take appointment you fit cancel the appointment. Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale, seguitemi, commentate, condividete e mettete il like. And if you don't subscribe, I beg try put that notification bell so that anytime when I upload, you will be the first person to be notified, because many people they always tell me say they see like maybe if I post something either YouTube or Facebook. Okay, so we don't need to put that bell. How many times we don't happen for everyday life, say person take appointment, you know, if you come meet up, so instead of you to worry yourself, you just cancel the appointment, because sometimes you get some maybe medical visit where you suppose if you don't do one, and if you don't come there that day, they'll come bring muta for you. So it's very important to know, say like if you know if you meet up, may you cancel the appointment. And why I come up with this video, because one sister you can't tell me say you want cancel something and you don't really know how to go about it. So I can say why not I will do video about them. So we will go right into the video. And for the video today realistic, I need to get my phone day here and my ricetta day here. What will be ricetta medica? Ricetta medica na the doctor's prescription will tell you see me you take go book the appointment. Okay, let's go right into the video. Pronto? Buongiorno. Hello, good morning.
Buongiorno, come la posso aiutare? Good morning, how can I help you?
Chiamo per conto di una mia amica. Vuole disdire un appuntamento preso per il 30 di questo mese. I'm calling on behalf of my friend. She wants to cancel an appointment she booked for the 30th of this month. Okay, guys, I said disdire, but you can use anything. You can use cancellare for you cancellare un appuntamento, or you can use annullare, all are the same thing, all are cancel, all are to comota. Ok?
Per quale tipo di visita aveva prenotato? What kind of appointment did she book?
Doveva essere una visita ginecologica. It was supposed to be a gynecological visit.
Come si chiama? E perché chiama al posto suo? What's her name? And why are you calling on her behalf?
Chiamo a posto suo perché la mia amica non parla l'italiano. I'm calling on her behalf because she does not speak Italian. Comunque, mia amica si chiama Happiness. However, my friend's name is Happiness.
E il cognome, per favore? And the surname, please?
Il suo cognome è Amegbeme. Her surname is Amegbeme.
È un po' difficile da scrivere. Mi può fare lo spelling, per favore? It's a bit difficult to write. Can you spell it for me, please?
Certo, sure. Ancona, Milano, Imola, Empoli, Genova, Hotel, Empoli, Milano, Empoli, Napoli.
Quando è nata? When was she born?
È nata il 4 gennaio del 2001. She was born on the 4th of January 2001.
Dov'è nata? Where was she born?
Ma intende la città o il paese? Do you mean the country or the city?
La città, the city.
Ah, È nata a Lagos. She was born in Lagos.
Mi serve anche il numero di prenotazione. I also need the reservation number.
Il numero di prenotazione? Qual è il numero di prenotazione? Which one is the reservation number, please?
È quello sulla ricetta medica. It's the one on the medical prescription.
Aspetti un attimo. Please hold on. È 0, 40, Empoli, 300, 40, 18, 130.
Perfetto, l'appuntamento è cancellato, però deve conservare il numero che le do ora. 3, 4, 3, 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. The appointment is cancelled, but you have to keep the number that I just gave you.
Ok, va bene, grazie. Ok, thank you.
Arrivederci. Goodbye.
Arrivederci. Okay, guys. Now like this, it is simple, right? Now like this, they take a call to cancel appointment. If you know, see, if you meet up, instead of you to pay unnecessary money for multa, you just call them. Because I remember, if I'm not mistaken, if you go book appointments, they mostly write down for that white paper where they go gum with the ricetta medica. Say if you know fee meet up again, see so number where you go call within. They go write within the hours before the exam where you suppose call the number. But I believe it's now 48 hours before the exam where you suppose do or test or whatever. Okay. So guys, gonna try to follow me for my other platforms, for TikTok, for Instagram, and for Facebook. Okay, and now remember, I said they do live videos on Saturdays. Before I did one for Facebook and Zoom. But after, if this month don't come out, now only Facebook will one day around 4. Now we go till they start. Okay, but we still get another Saturday to do for Zoom before the month come out. So you wanna join me for the last Zoom meeting on Saturday by 5 and for 4 by 4 for Facebook. Okay, until the next one, stay tuned. Bye bye.